Exercise 4.3, Chapter 4, Quadratic Equations. What's the first question? We'll see. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. The following quadratic equations, if they exist, by the method of completing the square. So first one you're having here, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So what do we do in this? This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore it is, when does it exist? When your d is either greater than or equal to 0. So you see what is d over here? It is equal to b square minus 4ac, which implies a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. So substituting in this, you get minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, which is 49, minus 4 3s are 12, 24, which is equal to 25. So this is d over here. D is greater than 0, so therefore it exists. We can find out the roots for this. So we are going to find it out by the method of completing the square. So how do we do this method? Again, write down the equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So now here what do we do is dividing. We have to have here x square only, so we divide it throughout by 2. So minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So it is dividing by 2, we get this. So which implies that you can write this as x square minus, you are multiplying and dividing with a 2. So what do we get here? We'll just see, into x into x into 7 by 4 plus, we are going to add 7 by 4 whole square and minus 7 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. So we have not changed anything in this. We have just multiplied and divided with the 2 for the second term. For this is the second term, 7 by 2. So we multiplied and divided. We got a 7 by 4. So what we are doing is we are adding and subtracting the square of this term. So it doesn't change the value of the equation, it remains same. So now you are having this, you can write this here, you are having this as in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. In order to make this a perfect square, what do we do is we are taking the second term, we are multiplying with the 2 and dividing it with the 2. So it becomes in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what can you write here? You can write here your a is nothing but x and your b is 7 by 4 whole square. You can see over here 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, minus 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. So now this can be written as x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to, take both of them to the other side, you're getting it as 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. So if the LCM is 16 over here, you're getting here 49 minus 3 8 is 24. So which is equal to 25 by 16. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to 25 by 16. Now next here, if you remove the square over here, you can write this as, or you can write this as 5 by 4 whole square. So which implies x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. So which implies x is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. plus or minus you're having. So you can get here 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 comma 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So getting the values of x as equal to, it is 12 by 4 and 2 by 4, which implies 4 3s are 12 and 1 by 2. So hence the roots of the given quadratic equation, quadratic I'm sorry quadratic equation are 3 and 1 by 2. And the second bit, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, we get x square plus half x minus 2 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2 throughout. So you'll be getting this. So now again here what we will do, for the second term we multiply and divide by 2. So you get here x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4. So you have to add 1 by 4 whole square and then subtract 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 as it is equal to 0. So now you can see that this is in the form of a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is 1 by 4. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 2 is equal to 0. So which implies x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you take the LCM over there, for this 2, if you take it to the other side, you'll be getting this as 16 is down. So you get it as 1 plus 16 2s are 32, which is equal to 33 by 16. So which implies that x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root of 33 by 4. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus or minus root 33 by 4, which implies that x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 4. Hence the roots of the given quadratic equation are plus and minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4. The third one we have 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So you can write this as 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into root 3 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 0. So you can write this as 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 0, which implies 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Since this root is repeated twice, hence both the roots of the given equation are minus root 3 by 2. Now going into the fourth one, you're having it as 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So now here again we have to divide throughout by 2. So x square plus 1 by 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what are we doing in this step? We are dividing by 2 throughout by 2. Now what we have to do to the second term? Second term we multiply 1 2 and then we divide 1 2. So here then we add this 1 by 4 whole square minus 4 whole square plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is completing the square over here. We are completing the square. So now you can see this is in the form of x plus 1 by 4 whole square. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies you get it as x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus, if you take it to the other side, you are getting it as 1 minus 32 by 16, which is equal to minus 31 by 16. So x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root of 31 by 16. So therefore this is equal to, x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus or minus root 31 by 60. I'm sorry, this root, if you're taking root for the down part, you're getting this as 4. So which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 31 by 4. This does not belong to, because you're having here in this under root you're having minus negative value, therefore this does not belong to set of real numbers. Hence the given quadratic equation have no real roots. Second, find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1 above by applying the find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question 1 above by applying the formula. First, we have 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 49 minus 24, which is equal to 25. Since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore the quadratic equation (2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0) has distinct roots, that is alpha and beta. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root 25 divided by 2 into 2, which is equal to 7 plus or minus 5 by 4, which is equal to alpha is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4, that is 12 by 4 equal to 3, and beta is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the required roots are 3 and 1 by 2. Next, the second one, we have 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 4. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4, which is equal to 1 plus 32, which is equal to 33. Since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore the quadratic equation two x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0 has distinct roots, that is alpha and beta. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 4. So alpha is equal to minus 1 plus root of 33 by 4, and beta is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. The third one, we have 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to, first we'll put what is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. So now putting it in this, we are getting it as 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3. So which is equal to 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Since b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore the quadratic equation has the quadratic equation 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0 has equal roots, that is alpha is equal to beta. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 by 2 into 4, which is equal to 4 will get cancelled, so it is minus root 3 by 2. Therefore the required roots alpha equal to beta is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then the fourth one, 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. So we'll find out what is b square minus 4ac. It is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4, which is equal to 1 minus 32, which is equal to minus 31. So here you're having b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore the quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0 has no real roots, because we are having the discriminant is less than 0. Now going into question 3, we are having find the roots of the factors of equations x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not equal to 0. So solution, we have x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, which implies that x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So which implies that x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 whole square minus of 4 into 1 into minus 1, which is 9 plus 4, that is 13. Therefore we are having b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So this equation has distinct roots. Therefore the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 has distinct roots, that is alpha and beta. So therefore x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of 13 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 13 by 2. Therefore alpha is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 and beta is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. Therefore the required roots are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Now the fourth one, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Let the present age of Rahman be equal to x years. 3 years ago his age was x minus 3 years, and 5 years from now his age will be x plus 5 years. Now according to the given problem, we have 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So now if you're taking LCM here, you will get it as x minus 3 into x plus 5. So here x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So which implies that 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3, which implies x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2, which implies x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6, which implies x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0, which implies x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So 21 factors are 7 and 3, so I can write it as minus 7 plus 3. So x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0, which implies that x into x minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0, which implies x plus 3 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x minus 7 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 7. And you also have an x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 3. But age cannot be negative, so therefore the present age of Rahman is Rahman is 7 years. Fifth one, in a class the sum of Shafali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product would have been 210. The product would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So if she would have got 2 marks more in math and 3 marks less in English, the product would have been 210. So we can find out by using a quadratic equation. We'll get a quadratic equation. So solution over here. Let marks got by Shafali in math be equal to x. Then marks got by her in English is equal to, because the sum of her English marks and math marks are together 30. So since maths marks are 30 x, so therefore English marks will be 30 minus x. So according to the given problem, we have x plus 2 into 30 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210, which implies that x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210, So which implies you're going to get an equation 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x minus 210 is equal to 0, which implies you're getting it as minus x square plus 25x minus 156 is equal to 0, which implies x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So therefore 156, 13 and 12 you can take. 13 plus 12 is 25, minus 13 minus 12 is minus 25. So minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0, which implies that x into x minus 13 minus 12 into x minus 13 is equal to 0, which implies x minus 12 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. Hence, if the marks got by Shefali in math, hence the marks got by Shefali in mathematics are 13. Then in English her marks are 30 minus 13, which is equal to 17. And if in math she got 12, then in English her marks are 30 minus 12, which is equal to 80. So now going to the next one. Sixth one, the diagonal of a rectangular field So sixth one, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. It's a solution. Let the shorter side of the field be equal to x meters, then the longer side of the field is equal to x plus 30 meters. And diagonal of the field is equal to x plus 60 meters. Now in a right triangle ABC. By Pythagoras theorem we have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, which implies x Seventh problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So solution, let the smaller number be equal to x and the larger number be equal to y. Then we have x square is equal to 8y. This is the first equation. And second, the square of the smaller number is 8 times the square of the larger number, and the difference between the squares of the two numbers is also 180. This is also given. So y square minus x square is equal to 180. This is the second equation. So from 1 and 2, we have y square minus 8y is equal to 180, which implies that y square minus 8y minus 180 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in y. We can solve it by factorization method. So the factors of 180 are 18 and 10. 18 minus 10 is 8, or minus 18 plus 10 is minus 8. So you're going to get it as y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. So if you take out y common, y minus 18 plus 10 common, y minus 18 is equal to 0, which implies that y minus 18 into y plus 10 is equal to 0, or you are going to get it as y is equal to 18, or y is equal to minus 10. So when y is equal to 18, then x is equal to 18 to 18, which is 144. So which implies that x is equal to plus or minus root of 144, which is equal to plus or minus 12. If smaller number is equal to 12, then larger number is equal to 12 square by 8, which is equal to 144 by 8, which is equal to 18. So if smaller number is 18, then larger number is equal to smaller number is minus 12, then we have minus 12 whole square divided by 8, which is also equal to 144 by 8, which is equal to 80. When y is equal to minus 10, then x square is equal to minus 80, x is equal to plus or minus root of minus 80, but this does not belong to the set of real numbers. So therefore y is equal to 18, and we proceed as done as the above. Hence the required numbers are 18, 12, or 18 and minus 12. Going into the next problem, 8th one, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed, if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So how do we do this problem? What is the solution of this problem? We'll see. Let the speed of the train be equal to x kilometers per hour. So let the speed of the train be equal to x kilometers per hour. Distance is equal to 360 kilometers. Therefore, time taken to cover 360 kilometers is equal to 360 by x hours. If the speed has been 5 kilometers per hour, then time taken to cover 360 kilometers is equal to 360 by x plus 5. So now, according to the given problem, (360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1, which implies that 360 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. So which implies that 360 into x plus 5 minus x by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1, or which implies that 360 into 5 divided by x square plus 5x is equal to 1, which implies that x square plus 5x is equal to 1800, or x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation, in x. It can be solved by factorization method. So which implies x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. 45 into 40 is 1800 and 45 minus 40 is 5. So therefore you can write this as, if you take out x common, x plus 45. Here you can take out minus 40, so you'll get in brackets x plus 45, which is equal to 0. So which implies that x plus 45 into x minus 40 is equal to 0, which implies that x plus 45 is equal to 0, or x minus 40 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 45 or x is equal to 45. But the speed of the train cannot be negative, isn't it? But the speed of the train cannot be negative, Therefore x is equal to 40. Hence speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Then the ninth problem. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The larger tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So solution: suppose the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank is x hours. Therefore time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank is equal to x plus 10 hours. So portion of tank filled by the larger tank filled by the larger tap in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x, and portion of the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour is equal to 1 by x plus 10. So therefore now you have the portion of tank filled by both the taps in 1 hour is given by equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10, which is equal to x plus 10 plus x divided by x into x plus 10, which is equal to 2x plus 10 divided by x square plus 10. 10x. So now it is given that portion of the tank filled by both the taps in 1 hour is equal to 8 by 75. So if we take this as first equation and this as second equation, therefore from 1 and 2, we get 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So if we take out 2 common here, we'll get it as x plus 10 divided by x square plus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So therefore you're getting here, if you take cross multiply, you're getting 75x plus 750 is equal to 4x square plus 40x. So which implies 4x square plus 40x minus 75x minus this is 5 here. So this is 370. So we took out 2 common. So this is minus 375 is equal to 0. Or which implies 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 35 plus or minus under root of 35 whole square minus 4 into 4 into minus 375 divided by 2 into 4, which is equal to 35 plus or minus root of 1225 plus 6000 divided by 8. So under root of 7225 divided by 8. So under root of 7225 is nothing but 85. So 35 plus 85 by 8 or 35 minus 85 by 8. So which is equal to 120 by 8 or minus 50 by 8, which is equal to 15. Negative value is not taken. Therefore, hence time taken by the larger tab is equal to 15 hours and time taken by the smaller tab is equal to 15 plus 10, which is equal to 25 hours. So this is the answer. Now the next problem, 10th one. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of the two trains. Find the average speed of the two trains. So solution you're having here. Let the average speed of the passenger train equal to x kilometers per hour. Then the average speed of the express train is equal to x plus 11 kilometers per hour. So distance is equal to 132 kilometers. Time taken by the passenger train to cover 132 kilometers is equal to 132 by x hours. And the time taken by express train to cover 132 kilometers is equal to 132 divided by x plus 11 hours. So according to the problem, the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train. And also express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. So according to the given problem, we have 132 divided by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11 is equal to 1, which implies that 132 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1, which implies that 132 into x plus 11 minus x divided by x into x plus 11, which is equal to 1, or you can write this as, if x cancels, you're getting here x square plus 11x is equal to 1 by 132. So which implies that x square plus 11x is equal to 11 into 132, which implies that x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now this is again a quadratic equation, which is a quadratic equation in x. We can solve this form. We can solve this equation by the quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 11, c is equal to minus 1452. Therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 11 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1452, which is equal to 121 plus 5808, which is equal to 5929. So now x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root d divided by 2a, which is equal to minus 11 plus or minus under root of 5929 divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 11 plus or minus 77 divided by 2, which is equal to 66 by 2, and minus 88 by 2, which is equal to 33 and minus 44. But speed of the train cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 33. Hence the average speed of the passenger train is equal to 33 kilometers per hour, and the average speed of the express train is equal to 33 plus 11, which is equal to 44 kilometers per hour. So then going into the 11th problem, we have sum of the area of the two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters, find the sides of the two squares. So solution for this: let the side of the first square be equal to x meters. The side of the second square is equal to y meters. Then the area of first square is equal to x square meter square. The area of the second square is equal to y square m square. Perimeter of the first square is equal to 4x meters, and perimeter of the second square is equal to 4y meters. Now according to the given problem, we have x square plus y square is equal to 468. This is equation 1. And 4x minus 4y is equal to 24, which implies x minus y is equal to 6. This is equation 2. From equation 2 we get x is equal to 6 plus y, the third one. So putting this value of x in 1 we get 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468, which implies that 36 plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468, which implies 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0, which implies 2y square plus 12y minus 432 is equal to 0, which implies y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in y. So we can solve this equation by quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to minus 216. Therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 216, which is equal to 36 plus 864, which is equal to 900. Now y is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a, which is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 900 by 2 into 1. So which is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 30 by 2, which is equal to minus 6 plus 30 by 2, or minus 6 minus 30 by 2. So which implies that you get to get it as plus 24 by 2 or minus 36 by 2, that is equal to 12 or minus 18. But the side of the square cannot be negative. Therefore y is equal to 12 and not equal to minus 18. So putting this value of y is equal to 12 in equation 3, we get x is equal to 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. Hence the side of the first square is equal to 18 meters, and the side of the second square is 12 meters.